Hey food explorers, today we're diving into the world of bitter gourd, a veggie that's as bold as its name. Buckle up for a taste adventure. Bitter gourd, also called bitter melon, is like the rebel of the vegetable kingdom. It's green, bumpy, and packs a punch of bitterness. But trust me, it's worth getting to know. Why bother with bitterness? Well, here's the scoop: anti-inflammatory power. Bitter gourd is loaded with polyphenols. Those are like tiny superheroes fighting inflammation in your body. Diabetes warrior. It contains saponins and terpenoids that help regulate blood sugar levels. Imagine your liver and muscles doing a victory dance. Hold on to your taste buds. One fresh bitter gourd serves up calories 21, protein 1 gram, fiber 3 grams, vitamin C, a whopping 43% of your daily dose, the younger the better, plus a dash of vitamins A, B, and minerals like iron and potassium. Ready to tame the bitterness? Here's how: stir fry, slice it thin, toss with garlic, soy sauce, and a pinch of courage. Stuff delight, hollow it out, stuff with spiced goodness, and fry till crispy. Juice cleanse, blend with lemon and a hint of honey. Your body will thank you. So next time you spot a bitter gourd at the market, give it a chance. It's not just a veggie, it's a bitter superfood. Like and subscribe if you're up for the challenge.